What's going on, guys? It's Reese Bowers from Built from the Bottom, and today we are going to pick up a Ducati 1090. There's the Jeep right there that passed me, you know, I'm in the Jeep right now. So today we're going to pick up a Ducati 1098. It's a 2008 with less than 7,000 miles on it. I'm really stoked about this because I've never had a Ducati before. I really don't even know how they ride. I gotta stop at the shop real quick, pick up something, and do one more stop. We're not gonna really talk about what that is. You know, I just might show a little glimpse, and then we'll be en route officially to go pick up this Ducati. I'm stoked. Yeah, and I just want to bring more bike content to you. So let's go. Oh, is that Zoom Tan? Oh yeah, I'm just stopping here for a friend real quick. My buddy wasn't in Zoom Tan, so I just kind of had to go in there and, you know, see what was going on. But we're here back on the road, probably about 30 minutes out.
The thing is the oil leak and the shifter.
Yeah, so what were you saying about the shifter?
So the shifter right here, it broke.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like this whole bracket was maybe broken.
No, just a little right here. I put a little nub right there just to...
Yeah, so you can actually still shift it.
Yeah.
Is there any oil in the bike right now, or do you think it's completely like dry?
It's completely dried.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Well, at least.
Oh, yeah, let me just...
Oh, it's like so dead it won't even...
Yeah, I won't even give it anything.
Dang, dude, I wonder what this guy... Matte Black's kind of hard. I had a matte black four-door Jeep, and just maintenance on anything matte black, it's kind of a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But I guess this kind of looks better than yellow, if you really don't like yellow. Okay.
There she is.
Yeah, all I want to see is the miles on it.
Yeah.
That's all I really care. Like, I don't want to start it up with no oil in it.
The airflow, not the airflow, but the air filter and stuff, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put this all back together. I took it to a dealership, had them do like the basic maintenance and everything.
Yeah.
I went to get the bike back. I did a test run down the back. My radiator, they punctured my radiator, so I had to replace the radiator.
How much was that? Because I know everything for these are like substantially more expensive than the Japanese bikes.
It was $700.
Jesus. So we just pulled up, you know, I don't ponder around, buy the bike. An hour later, we got Hernando. He's gonna be painting the fairings on this bike. We're gonna do a pearl white, so we're gonna see it. We're gonna pull all this stuff off tonight. It's gonna end up looking sweet. Right now we're picking up the fairings for the GSXR. They're in there, the white. Yeah. Picking those up, and then, you know, the truck will be back soon. Have to go get some cash for Hernando. It's time to pick up my last little pieces. See what they got going on in here. Hey, bro, you want to be in the vid? No. Hey. How you doing? Pick these bad boys up. Ooh, look at these. They really weren't that bad to begin with, but you see this pearl? I don't know if it'll show up on the camera. But there's a little bit of damage on this one, so I just had all the white pieces painted. So I just got the Ducati off of the trailer. It's right here. I think this thing's looking sick. It's leaking quite a bit of oil. We really need to figure out where it's leaking oil from. Look at those headlights. Oh man. We got the Brembo brakes. Ducati signature look right here is the single rear swing arm. We got our stainless exhaust on it. Everything is OEM. Just look at this. I've never had something like this, so I just think this is so sick. Okay guys, I got the bike in here. It's right next to the GSXR that I just picked up those fairings for. I'm going to, in my next video featuring this bike, take off all these fairings, degrease everything, kind of strip it down. I don't think I've seen a video of people pulling the fairings off of Ducati on YouTube, so I think that'll be pretty cool. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be putting these fairings on this bike. So stay tuned for next video about this bike. I really wanted to pump out something really quick to you guys so you can see what's going on, and that like this is going to be the next bike that gets built out on this channel. But as you can see, it got really late on me. It is 5:26 in the morning, and I'm still on the same day from yesterday because I was prepping out all these floors because I'm doing this really nice epoxy. I'll probably go to sleep for like 5 hours, come back and start painting. It's kind of dry right now, but it needs to be really dry, like humidity below 80%. So when I come back around 10 o'clock, it should be ready for that. And this shop is gonna start looking sick, so I can start having good scenery when I'm producing content for you guys. And yeah, I got that next video. I got a 2018 F250 that is about to get a crazy underglow kit on it. Full, like, kind of like a SEMA underglow kit. It's gonna have like 20 LED lights underneath it. There's gonna be like absolutely no shadows. So that should come out soon. And stay tuned, guys. I will catch you next upload. Peace.